What's up, Big Bang Gang? It's your boy Jamel Munger back with another YouTube video for y'all, man. Today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Thank you for clicking on this video, man. I hope y'all enjoying y'all family, enjoying food. Make sure you got your mask if y'all doing like big gatherings or whatever. But today I'm waiting on the food to finish, I guess. I don't know what time we were supposed to be eating Thanksgiving, but I have to do something to occupy myself until then. So not everything is open in the hometown, but O'Reilly's is open. So I'm going to see if they got 5% tint, so I can tint my Monte Carlo the windows. If I mess up, I don't care. I can get them professionally tinted later, but right now I need them things dark. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'll be back in just a second. See if they got the tint up in here, boy. What's up, man? Y'all have tint here? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Of that holiday you just passed me about this.
Take the Monte Carlo under the tarp. My dog Cinda say what's up to the channel. What's up? Yeah. Morning. Right now, I am not tinting this car perfect. I really just want the inside without the interior. I don't want it to be seen, so that's why I'm tinting it. I don't know what that is, but that's coming off. All right, guys. I don't know how other people tint their windows, so I got this paper. I don't know. Just the most cheapest basic 5% tint. I'm about to tint these windows on the Monte Carlo SS 87 T-top. I got my niece recording, so if it's bad quality, blame her on her YouTube. Simply Flowers. Alright, so when you unroll it, the sticky side is the side that's like here. So when you cut it out, if you pull it out and cut it, we cut it, we're gonna pick it up, put it on this side, and basically get the bubbles out like that. Just stay tuned, I'm gonna show you. Boy, this thing is doing a lot right now. Hold this with that hand. Right, windy as crap.
So then you just gonna cut off it?
I don't know, ask her. Alright guys, so I basically got what I need for the most part. So now all I'm gonna do is pull the plastic film off and then spray it, and then it's gonna start sticking. So there's no going back after we do that. We'll be back in just a second. I need my niece to hold while we pull this plastic film off. I need to be spraying the tint, so that's gonna require all hands on deck. Give me that spray. Pick it up. No, don't do it with your hands. So we got the tint applied. There's no going back. I forgot how you're supposed to push it out. Oh, push it out.
Can't really see how it really looks. This part, because we didn't cut it off yet. So, yeah.
Just that crease from that wind.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry.
It's on 0%.
It say 0?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, sorry the battery died. But I've just been trying to get these bubbles out and cutting it as the bubbles are coming out.
It's really windy outside.
Yeah, it's very windy out here, so it's kind of difficult, but we're making it happen. While we're waiting for the Thanksgiving turkey to be done. So, if you guys can see, I think it's a bubble. It's a crease right here. It's a bubble right here.
Yeah. Right
here. It's a bubble right here. I can't get it out because it creased. Well, I probably can, but once it dries, it'll probably come out. But try not to lift the paper up as much as possible. There you go. Sit your razor on it. And just pull it slowly. Don't go too fast because you can overcut and then it'll have your tint looking ridiculous. We're going right here, some right here. Oh. Boom, boy. Yes, that was fast. That was crazy fast. That was just in the wind. In the wind doing tint jobs, boy. We gonna see if we can get this bubble out. I doubt it because it's a crease. I could put a slit in there, but that's not good tint. What is it? Tintmanship. Alright guys, we are back. I'm sorry, I had to get my car moved from over there to here. This is the front window. It's done, blacked out. Yeah, and we about to go start on this window. My niece is still recording, so if the quality is bad, it's her fault. Yeah. Out of your window, boom, boom, boom. You really don't have to clean the outside, but I like cleaning the outside too. Most importantly is cleaning the inside because that's the side that's we're gonna be sticking to. So clean that. I'm gonna hop on the other side and clean the inside. I do not have a door handle, so I'm coming on this side. Yeah. Can't never do nothing. So right now, I'm just kind of getting a rough estimate of where I need to be cutting at. Cut all the excess off. Try to save as much as you can. You see right here. Don't do this on a newer model car because you would scratch your paint. This is just primer, so I don't really care. Camera crew. Let me say that. Okay, so basically I'm just taking it off.
Move that away because this is the part where you have to.
This is probably the hardest part for me because you got to be careful not to crease your tint. Let the water just run in the creases. You just pull it down like that. Spray as you pull it down. Pull it all the way down. Make sure you get this part super soaking wet. Spray the inside, real moist, and then just sit it up there. Cut as you need.
You can see, hopefully, I see it well.
All right, so basically I'm just tucking the tint in as good as I can. Oh my gosh, boy, people are just constantly calling. Pull all your bubbles out. window is dirty on the outside, not the inside. Well, probably is dirty on the inside too. All right, I'm gonna take my razor, get deep in that corner back there, and just pull it on down. You can pull it out. There we go. I'm gonna get in that seam. Let's go all the way down. Let's see if I can pull it out. There we go. Just keep pulling the bubbles out. Pulling and pushing them out. I'm not a tint professional. Do not try this at home and blame me for if it doesn't come out right. But that's pretty much it. We tinted these windows. Except that 5% tint. This is one side. I'm gonna walk around straight, open windshield. And this is the other side. You can tell a big difference in the glass. Tint, no tint. Probably about to try to do this window. I don't know, but I definitely had to do the sides for sure. But yep. That's it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Comment below if you got any questions. Like I said, do not try this at home and think that it's gonna come out perfect, because mine didn't even come out perfect. This is a dirty window. I didn't take my time to get all the grease and cleaning it off and all that such, but I'm happy with it. Dark tint. I just wanted it to be dark, and that's what I got. Thank you to my cameraman, or camerawoman. I'm sorry, camerawoman. And happy Thanksgiving, y'all. We are out.
Peace.